Today my topic is Lami's theorem. In this video I am going to explain about Lami's theorem. So it is very important in engineering mechanics. The statement, it states that if two, three forces are acting at a point or in equilibrium, each force is be proportional to the sine angle between other two forces. It states that if three forces are acting at a point or in equilibrium, each force will be proportional to the sine angle between other two forces. This is the statement of Lami's theorem. So now I will consider the diagrammatical view. So let us say this is one force P and the second force Q and the third force R. So P, Q and R are the three forces meet at point O, and the angle between force P and Q alpha, and the angle between force Q and R beta, and the angle between R and P gamma. So these three forces are meet at point O. So suppose three forces P, Q and R are acting at a point O as shown in the figure. They are in equilibrium. That means the resultant force will be 0. So they are meet at point O. So as per the statement of Lami's theorem, each force will be proportional to the sine angle between other two forces. Let alpha is equal to angle between the force P and Q, beta is equal to angle between the force Q and R, gamma is equal to angle between the force R and P. So now, according to Lami's statement or Lami's theorem, force will be proportional to the sine angle between other two forces. That is, one force will be proportional. Let us say P is a force. P is directly proportional to sine angle between other two forces means Q and R. So directly proportional to sine beta. P is directly proportional to sine beta. So P by sine beta is equal to proportionate is equal to constant. Similarly, force Q also is proportional to sine angle between other two forces P and R. Q is directly proportional to sine gamma. Q by sine gamma is equal to constant. And also R is directly proportional to sine alpha. So R by sine alpha is equal to constant. So all are constants. So finally P by sine alpha is equal to Q by sine beta is equal to P by sine beta is equal to Q by sine gamma is equal to R by sine alpha is equal to constant. So this is the statement of Lami's theorem. So now we will prove it. The statement. We will prove the statement. Now proof. Let's discuss about proof. For proving Lami's theorem, here also we need to consider three forces which are meet at point O as shown in the figure. Three forces, let us say force P, force Q, force R. Between P and Q alpha, between Q and R beta, between P and R gamma. These are three are angles. So 180 minus alpha is internal angle, 180 minus beta is internal angle, 180 minus gamma is internal angle for each force between two forces. Three forces are acting on a point as shown in the figure. They are in equilibrium. They can be represented on by a triangle. That is three sides of triangle. These three forces represented by three sides of triangle. Taking same order, PQR order same. Now draw the force triangle as shown in the figure. So according to Lami's theorem,
mechanics sir,
or apply the Lami's theorem,
popular
sine rule or sine rule, sine rule. That is according to Lami's theorem,
డబ్బులు లాగాలి సార్.
force is directly proportional to sine angle between other two forces. So P is the one force, P is directly
సబ్స్క్రైబర్లో లైక్స్
proportional to
పెరిగితే
sine of
automatic
180
వచ్చేస్తాయి
minus
డబ్బులు.
beta.
ఇప్పుడు కాదు
P
మనం
by
రీచ్
sine
అవ్వాలి
180
టార్గెట్.
minus beta is equal to constant.
నెల నెల
P is
చేసేదాన్ని
directly
బట్టి
proportional to sine angle of 180
1000
minus
సబ్స్క్రైబర్లో 4000 అవర్స్ దాటితే
P by sine
వాడు ఫోన్ చేస్తారు మనకి.
180 minus gamma is equal to
చేంజ్ చేసి యు ఆర్ ఎలిజిబుల్ టు ఎర్న్ ద మనీ ఫ్రమ్ యూట్యూబ్ అంటారు.
Similarly, force
అప్పుడు
R
నుండి
is
మనకి
directly
స్టార్ట్ అయితే మనకి
proportional
యాడ్లు పెడతారు.
to sine angle of 180 minus alpha between Q and P. Sin R by sine 180
అప్పుడు మనం
minus
గుద్దుకోవచ్చు అనమాట.
alpha is equal to constant. So all are constants. So P by sine 180 minus beta is equal to Q by sine 180 minus gamma is equal to R by sine 180 minus alpha is equal to constant. So from trigonometry, sine 180 minus theta or alpha is equal to sine alpha. 180 minus angle is equal to angle. So P by sine beta is equal to Q by sine gamma is equal to R by sine alpha. So this is a Lami's theorem. So hence the Lami's theorem is proved. Right? Thank you.